Today, we are going to be talking about how to manage email blasting and text messaging inside the CRM AnyWare. CRM AnyWare also runs standalone, and it also has ready-made Sage Intacct integration. Now let's start with the dashboard. In here, you can see all your KPIs, key performance indicators in a colorful visual environment. As you can see, we can see a total opportunity status, our opportunity value, conversion rates. We can see all our funnels with their stage distribution. Below that, we can see all our tasks. And lastly, we can also see our lead source report, which breaks down the origin of leads. Now let's move on to the conversations. Here, you'll see intuitive interface designed to streamline your communication. With a simple clean layout, this step ensures that no customer query goes unnoticed. You can easily filter through unread, recent, spared, and all. Conversations stay on the top of every interaction. Let's move to our email campaigns. So under email campaigns, you can send unlimited bulk emails as email blasting. All right, let's show an example. So as you can see, we already have existing email campaigns, but for this example, let's create a brand new one by clicking on plus new button on the top right. After clicking on it, we're gonna be choosing the template. So I'm just gonna choose a blank template. After choosing the template, we're gonna be choosing the, is it gonna be a design editor? We're gonna be, coding, or we can do a plain text editor, right? For easy access, I'm gonna go with design editor this time. So I'm gonna be clicking on that. And after clicking on that, now as you can see the untitled campaign, right? So I don't like this one, so I'm gonna be deleting this, and I'm also gonna add something else. So below this text, I'm gonna add an image. Let's just say we add an image here. And lastly, I wanna add a button. By the way, as you can see, everything is drag and drop. So we have a bunch of elements on the left side. We can add a text, image, we can add a button, we can add a logo, we can add a footer and so forth, right? We can add a video option as well. So again, everything is drag and drop, ease of access to use. So when I click on that, so as you can see on the first column, first line, I should say, I added text. In the middle, we have the image. On the last, we have the button. So let's just say this is one of my example email campaign. So after I'm done, I have the two options. I can either save this or send it or do both, right? So for this example, I'm just gonna send it. So we're gonna be clicking on send or schedule. After that, we're gonna be choosing. So what are we gonna do? So send now, right? After that, we're gonna put in our sender email, which is our personal email that we're gonna be sending from. Then we're gonna put our name and our subject line. After filling these informations, we're gonna be choosing the recipients. So we can either choose all contacts. When I choose all contacts, so in the system currently we have 16 contacts, right? So it's choosing all. But I have the option to do one by one as well, or you can separate them. So if I want to just send this 3 person, I can choose it separately like this. And once I'm all done, after adding my subject line, I can hit on send, and that will send as email blasting. All right, that sums up the whole overview of the CRM AnyWare software. Thank you.